Arriflex 16S, advancing the motor by hand. Notice the smooth movements of everything, all the sprockets, all the wheels, extremely clean. I don't have a battery to test this, so, well, I do have a battery, but I don't have the adapter to go from 3-pin XLR to this connector here. So it uses the 2-pin power. So I'm advancing it by hand to show you how clean and effective the mechanism is. You can see how it turns, you can see how the shutter moves. Let me open the you can see the shutter in there. How smooth that is. Pins are very smooth. Glass is very clean. You won't be disappointed with this camera. And now I'm winding it in reverse, so you can see the mechanism going in reverse. Just hook your power up to it, and this camera's ready to shoot with. You can see the mirror here from this side, from the front. No damage at all, it's just some dust.